Hey, how you guys doing? Just giving you a video of what you can do to get caught up on the AP class while you are with your families and away. So let's talk about today's class and what we did and what you can do. Now today the students presented their poster presentations on belief systems, and they only did one packet. Then they made a poster and they presented to everybody and they took notes on each other's. You guys, because you can't see those presentations, are taking notes on all packets. So finish those up. If the video you go to, I had two of you tell me that on the Hinduism video, in the Hinduism packet, there was a video that wasn't working, and it was copyright. Now it works here in the United States, but in Ecuador and Mexico, it could be under copyright violation. They can't show it there. So save that, and when you get back home, finish that part. So I'm going to give you the next direction, what we are doing and what you can work on. But I realize that there might be some videos that don't work because of copyright. So we are next going to work on our packet for 1.1 and 1.3. And you guys do not have the text for this, so I'm going to find a way to get the text for you next week. But you don't need the text yet. So go to 1.1, 1.3, and open it up. And you can take notes on here on the videos. So you're going to watch videos on pages 1 through 8 of our new packet, which is on South and Southeast Asia and East Asia. Basically, East Asia, you think in China, pretty much in world history. That's this picture right here. This would be East Asia. And when we are thinking South Asia, it's mostly India in AP. So different things are in India. Southeast is this area of places like Vietnam, Cambodia. This is Southeast Asia, South Asia, and up here we have East Asia. Okay? So all you need to do is open this packet and click on the links, watch the videos, and take notes on them. If there are any that don't work, wait and take notes on those when you get home. And yes, you can type these notes up. These notes can be typed, and that is totally fine. So get your work done up to page 8. Going to be watching quite a few videos, doing a little bit of reading. And on Monday, I will make a new video for you with new directions. Hope everything is well. Say hello to all your families there in Mexico and Ecuador. Bye.